What's good, y'all boy? It's your boy Justice, back with another install. Once again, you know, my frame sliders from T-Rex came in and there was some heavy duty stuff, but I'm gonna open that up and then hop into that install. So let's get to it. So of course, the T-Rex parts, man. That's kind of like, oh, what the what? So of course the T-Rex parts, man. Of course, that's a cool name. They make some high quality stuff apparently. Dang, I messed that box all the way up. UPS gotta be slick with they jump, boy. Alright. Got front axle sliders, rear axle sliders, no cut frame sliders, okay, and the swing arm spools, and then engine case cover. Somehow out of stock. Okay, we gonna see. I don't really know, but look alright. Okay. I'm going heavy duty. Sheesh. Alright. I like that. I like that too. Oh yeah, them John look official compared to the ones that's on my bike. Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and get these junk installed because I'm liking the way these junk looking. Yeah, man, so the first thing we're doing, actually, like you can tell it's really, ain't nothing happening to this with the bike fall, but you gotta be careful with the bolts that come in the box because with the left and right side, the longest go with the longest cylinders, like that, and they're like barely a couple millimeters off. So that's all it's gonna do. It's gonna go on for these ones, just the right side. So it's just gonna go on right here, and yeah. So got all that. Had to go to Walmart, get another set of, because I didn't have a 10 millimeter, and then you gotta use some thread lock too. Make sure, because this is on the engine, it might vibrate off. But besides that, just gonna install that, and then let y'all see how it looks when this one's done. And then there's one that's going right here. And then I gotta do the ones on the brakes too. I mean, the rim. So catch y'all when we get done. Bit on here, spread that junk down a couple threads, and it should be Gucci. That's enough. Size a little bit. Tight a little bit. So this is how we looking now. Looks pretty good. It definitely ain't going nowhere. Got the back on. This side looking real good. That ain't hitting nothing. That little side angle for y'all. And then it's the front, man. So, you know, this install wasn't too long. I didn't know how to get the front end and the wheels, but got to do them at the same time. So it's pretty interesting, but definitely I feel better with protection. I can go out and do some wheelies, try them, you know, I don't feel that bad now. So that's gonna be it for this video, man. Definitely keep checking out the channel. Got a couple more things I got to do, but besides that, that's it, man. Just keep doing it.